Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, IT scrambles to recover rupees 7.7 trillion of tax appears. Next, NCLAT denies Google relief in antitrust case. Next, Indies fall over 1% ahead of Fed meet minutes. Next, policy launch manhunt after Air India complaint. Next, services PMI in December hits 6-month high. Next, rural housing plan may get big push in budget. Next, Mahindra Fin curbs on loan recovery agent lifted. Next, NARCL emerges top bidder for She Twins. Next, Cabinet approves rupees 19,744 crore for National Green Hydrogen Mission. Next, rupees 2,500 crore scheme for DD air upgrade cleared. Next, on page number 4 into companies section, under that 98% of e-tailers keen on hiring this quarter. Next, Switch Mobility to others bag $362 million e-bus contracts. Next, Shapurji Palonoji Joyville to invest rupees 750 crore in Pune project. Next, Indus Towers appoint Prachur Shah, MD and CEO. Next, Byju's founder rising fund to buy back 15% of firm. Next, FMCG shopping list for 23, less price hike, more urban growth. Next, hopes for the future. Next, Nexus I $700 million fund to bet on tech startups. Next, housing boost draws industrial measures into 60,000 rupees crore paints biz. Next, on page number 5 in companies section, under that Delhi police launches manhunt after Air India files complaint. Next, Nadella Jaishankar discuss digital governance security. Next, Walmart may have to pay $1 billion tax for PhonePe shift in India. Next, shift to India. Next, Air India plane returns to Delhi due to snatch. Next, Indigo aircraft suffer tail strike in Kolkata. Next, DMart quarter 3 revenue up 24.7% at rupees 11,305 crore. Next, LG Electronics appoints Hongju Jion India Biz MD. Next, on page number 6 in economy and public affairs section, under that GDP to be $20 trillion by 2047 De Broglie. Next, ruling housing may get big push in budget. Next, new biz lifts December service PMI to 6-month high. Next, NTPC mulls 50% green H2 blending at gas units. Next, Delhi government would not take part in right issue by DMRC. Next, EAM India helped in grain deal between Moscow and Kiwi. Next, CBI files charge sheet against CG Power in rupees 2,435 crore fraud. Next, CERC to compensate imported coal-based power producers. Next, CIL trade unions ink pact for 19% guaranteed benefit. Next, DG payment plans highest in RBI's Ombudsman scheme. Next, pollution control body rolls back stage 3 of grab in NCR. Next, Citigroup slashes India CAD forecast to below 3% of GDP. Next, Biden renominates close aid Garcetti as US envoy to India. Next, Delhi government would not take part in rights issue by DMRC. Next, NTPC mulls 50% green hydrogen blending at gas unit. Next, new biz lift December service PMI to 6-month high. Then on page number 8 in economy and public affairs section, and that buoyed by retail loan growth, HDFC Bank advances rises 20%. Next, Bajaj Finance books log 7.8 million new loans in quarter 3, its highest ever. Next, outsourcing recovery agents, RBI lifts ban on Mahindra Finance. Next, insurers get IRDAI nude for FRN auto renewal of cross-border reinsurers. Next, operational losses of OMC may shrink in quarter 3. Next, NCLAT denies Google relief in antitrust case. Next, rupees 19,500 crore approved for National Green Hydrogen Mission. Next, NARCL emerges top bidder for Shri Twins. Next, IT scrambles to recover rupees 7.7 trillion of tax errors. And on page number 9 in that economy section, under that cabinet clears rupees 2500 crore for FDD air infra upgrade. Next, note to rename Mopa Airport after Manohar Parikar. Next, government approves rupees 2614 crore investment for Suni Dam hydropower project. Next, expenses rationalization may be underlying budget theme. Next, turnaround of PSB from rupees 85,000 crore loss in 2017 to nearly rupees 1 trillion profit. On page number 10 in world section, under that Meta fined $414 million for ads based on online activity. Next, Salesforce to sack 10% employees, shut some offices. Next, chaos in Gulf's US House after Republican revolt. Next, China pauses on giant chip spend aimed at revealing US. Next, Mars Ant wins nude for $1.5 billion capital plan. Next, China resumes presidential real estate funds. Next, Dubai rolls out $8.7 trillion economic plan for 10 years. Next, FDA allows abortion pills to be sold at retail drugstores. Next, Twitter to relax 3-year ban on political adverse. Next, Bankman Fried pleads not guilty in FTX fraud case. Next, oil plunges over 8% in 2 days to below $79 a barrel. Next, gas plunge means cash for Sunak, but no relief yet for consumers. Then I comes to page number 11 in that opinion section. Under that, cost advantages. Next, fair game. Next, taming the dragon. Next, India and GVC diversification. Next, opportunities and choices in the budget. Next, on page number 12 in that the smart investor, under that section, Paytm now a mid cap stock, Varun Beverages, ABB large caps. Next, Muthoot downgraded to mid cap segment in AMFI Rigi. Next, Tanla platforms IEX, ICICI Security now small caps. Next, benchmark indies declined 1% ahead of Fed in minutes. Next, mutual fund growth had a stroll in 2022 after a 3-year sprint. Next, regulating global index provider may put mutual funds in tough spot, says experts. Next, Radiant Cash Management debuted at 11.4% premium. Next, Shah Polymer subscribed 17.46 times on the last day. Next, CV growth prospect to drive gains for ZF India. Next, on page number 13 in that smart investor section, under that private banks set to report healthy earnings in quarter 3. Next, less than 90 days left to file updated IT returns. Next, on page number 18 in that take 2 in that CESL accelerates on green track. Next, stickler for the law. Next, Delhi High Court denies firms use of Swiss military insignia in trademark case. Next, on page number 19 in that uh, box office set to get bigger in 2023. Next, rural India lagging in wax coverage since mid-December. Next, that much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.